What's up, guys? This is the new budget build that I just finished. Just used a bunch of spare parts and a nice decent chassis. Wasn't overly expensive to go with my Form 1 30 cal can. It's a Remington 700 and 300 Blackout. It is a 16-inch barrel, which I may have cut down in the future, but honestly, with how accurate this thing is, as you'll see, I might just leave it alone. I mean, it's super lightweight in this chassis. It does have a folding stock, folding Shockwave with the adapter from MDT to make that possible. And believe it or not, it actually has a 1-to-6 variable primary arms Raptor with the ACSS reticle. And I'm going to show you how accurate this thing is. I scooted it up a little bit because I was kind of in the shade. You couldn't really get the good pictures, but man, this thing at 75-80 yards literally can take the hair off the top of your head. So with subsonic ammo, which I will note, these are Remington 220 grains that you'll see shooting out of it. That's literally all I could get my hands on for this. The Hornady 208 grain, I think it's AMAX, what they call it. Those, believe it or not, are actually quieter, so I'm guessing probably something to do with the powder, but check it out, super pumped. I've been wanting to build a quiet bolt gun for a while. Got the cheap CV Life bipod on it, Shockwave. It's a 700. I literally bought it at Academy for 400 bucks, so take a peek. Let's have some fun. See how she does. I'm gonna throw a couple shots in the dirt so you can just hear the can and hear the impact down there. All right. Now I'll shoot some steel so you can hear the difference. That's it. All right, so literally gonna stack these up. Gonna try to hit them. The 300 Blackout, the cheap build, at about, that's about 75 yards. Really about the effective distance of this gun with subsonic rounds. So, at the risk of damaging my phone, let's see what we can do.